I've been reviewing Lectric XP e-bikes since their very first model, and until recently, I've had one of the original prototypes in my possession. And if you've been around KevCentral long enough, you might even remember this bike. It ended up in the hands of someone with Parkinson's. Bicycle riding helps Parkinson's patients keep their balance until it doesn't. He can't ride the bike anymore, but he does still wear his bicycle helmet most of the time. Loss of balance is tough. Let's circle back to Lectric, along with making a great bikes at sometimes unbelievably low prices given their performance. Lectric is also extremely benevolent. Examples: I recently donated this slew of Lectric XP models to a local nonprofit on behalf of them, including, and this was tough to give away, the original prototype with a few KevCentral mods donated. Its successor, XP 2.0, donated. 2.0 step through, donated. Even their up-tier X Premium, a bike with dual battery extended range, a torque-sensing mid-drive, top-shelf biking, donated. Donations are not uncommon at KevCentral. Most of the bikes you see here, the brands that make them, agree that they'll be donated after I'm done with the bike. Lots of the core brands that you regularly see on this channel, including Lectric, all on board. It's how we roll. What's different in this case, and what warrants its own video, is recently I had to ask my contact at Lectric something, and when he responded, we were in the middle of something of our own. That GT that I showed you earlier, that belongs to a Parkinson's patient. That would be my brother-in-law. He had just suffered his bicycle career-ending fall and ended up in the emergency room. And in a nutshell, the second that Lectric found out he had been de-biked and he was still trying to fight the Parkinson's fight, and this is an exact quote from them: "Say no more, we want to send him a trike." They want to get him back on the saddle, back in the fight. And keep in mind, this is right after they had just donated 4 bikes. Yet a few weeks later, this arrived. I went over to help unbox it. No, it's really not required. Just open the box and pretty much unfold it. And voila, the beautiful Lectric XP trike. It actually looks like a hot rod in person. You'll see my full review coming soon. You want to see someone surprised? Here's a Parkinson's patient finding out that they're going to be able to still ride a bike. I know you saw the bike box, but what you don't know is that Lectric found out that you couldn't ride your regular bike anymore, so they wanted to give you a bike you could ride. So this is their newest thing, an electric trike, and it's 500 watts of power, pedal assist, 5 levels, a throttle. Come on over, get a seat on it. It's adjustable backrest. You can adjust this up and down to fit you better. Yeah, that's a happy person. And I'm going to cut out the audio there. I don't want to spoil my review video. I gave him a once over, all the features and functions, and right away he wanted to take it for a spin. A guy that thought he would never be back on the saddle, and this is his first ever go on an e-bike. He took right to it. Note that his seat is low. I wanted to keep the center of gravity down until he got used to it. After a few rides, we set him up with proper leg extension. Back on the road, thanks to Lectric and the XP trike. He's fighting a tough fight. This keeps him on the saddle longer, living life longer. He loves this thing. The first thing he tells me now whenever he sees me is when was the last time he got to ride his trike, and it's usually that day. At least on his good days, Parkinson's patients will know what that means, as will their family. The good days, that's what we all live for, and this is a good day with a company doing good. I want to give them some props for it. If you or anyone you love struggles with Parkinson's, you'll know that this is the smile of someone that is happy. This is his widest, biggest smile, and a thumbs up for Lectric directly from him. And I wanted to make this video to just show what kind of company they are. Comment below and let's give Lectric some applause for being such a great group of people with great products. Like this XP trike, full review coming soon. I'll put a link to it down in the description. You can go to their website and give it a look. It's a total hot rod. Good vibes all around in this video. Thanks Lectric. Be sure to comment, show your support, and have a great day.